Welcome back to our channel Peak Decor Home. Today we're diving into a game changer for your daily routine, cleaning. We all know a tidy space makes for a happier home, but what if we told you there's a revolutionary way to elevate your cleaning game? It's not just about the chores, it's about the supplies that can transform your routine. In this video, we'll explore how the right tools, solutions, and even some nifty gadgets can revolutionize the way you clean. Get ready to discover the secrets that will make your cleaning routine not only effective, but a breeze. Let's jump in. Essentials first. At Peak Decor Home, we believe every cleaner needs a solid foundation. Meet your cleaning allies, the must-have tools. From sturdy brooms to trusty dustpans and scrub brushes, these basics are the backbone of efficiency. Discover how investing in quality tools not only simplifies your cleaning routine, but also adds a touch of ease and effectiveness to every swipe. Ready to build the foundation for a sparkling home? Let's explore these essential cleaning tools together. Now that we've mastered the basics, it's time to level up with advanced cleaning solutions. Join us at Peak Decor Home as we explore powerful cleaners tailored for specific surfaces. From tackling tough stains to embracing specialty solutions, these advanced cleaning products are the key to a spotless space. Uncover the secrets of efficiency and effectiveness as we delve into a world beyond the ordinary. Elevate your cleaning game with these innovative solutions. Let's make your home shine like never before. Get ready for a high-tech cleaning revolution. At Peak Decor Home, we're about to unveil a lineup of innovative cleaning gadgets that will transform your routine. From robotic vacuum cleaners gliding effortlessly across your floors to steam mops that redefine cleanliness, these gadgets aren't just tools, they're time-saving companions. Join us as we explore the future of cleaning, where technology meets tidiness. Say goodbye to traditional methods and hello to a smarter, more efficient way of keeping your home spotless. Now let's take a green approach to cleaning. Join Peak Decor Home in discovering eco-friendly alternatives that not only keep your space immaculate, but also contribute to a healthier planet. From biodegradable cleaners to sustainable materials, these eco-conscious choices make a positive impact. Learn how you can clean with a conscience, reducing your environmental footprint while maintaining a pristine home. It's time to embrace a greener way of cleaning that's both effective and environmentally friendly. Let's make a difference together. Organization meets cleanliness in the next chapter of our cleaning journey. Join Peak Decor Home as we explore organizational aids that turn chaos into order. From clever storage solutions to labeling systems, these tools transform your cleaning routine into a well-orchestrated symphony. Discover how staying organized not only streamlines your tasks, but also adds efficiency to every swipe and scrub. Ready to create a space where everything has its place? Let's dive into the world of organizational aids and revolutionize the way you clean. Time to reclaim your day with Peak Decor Home's time-saving strategies. In this segment, we'll unveil tips and tools that not only make cleaning a breeze, but also free up precious moments. From multi-purpose cleaners to efficient tools that handle various tasks, we're about to revolutionize your approach. Discover the art of swift and effective cleaning, ensuring you have more time for what truly matters. Let's explore time-saving strategies that elevate your routine, making every cleaning session a quick and satisfying triumph. Now let's clean without breaking the bank. Join Peak Decor Home as we uncover budget-friendly options that prove you don't need to sacrifice quality for affordability. From cost-effective cleaners to wallet-friendly tools, we're about to redefine value. Explore how smart choices can keep your space sparkling on a budget. Discover the art of practicality without compromise, and make frugal cleaning decisions that won't compromise the cleanliness of your home. Let's dive into the world of budget-friendly options and revolutionize your cleaning routine without emptying your pockets. Time to tailor your cleaning routine with personalized kits. At Peak Decor Home, we believe cleaning should suit your unique needs. In this segment, explore the advantages of creating your personalized cleaning arsenal. from hand-picked tools to specialized solutions. Find out how a customized approach not only enhances efficiency, but also makes cleaning more enjoyable. Say goodbye to one-size-fits-all and hello to a cleaning routine that resonates with your style. Ready to curate a kit that suits you perfectly? Let's dive into the world of personalized cleaning kits. Now let's talk about maintaining the magic. Join Peak Decor Home as we explore the crucial aspect of maintenance and longevity in your cleaning supplies. Discover tips and tricks to keep your tools and products in top-notch condition. From proper storage practices to essential care routines, we'll ensure your cleaning arsenal stands the test of time. Learn how a little attention to maintenance can enhance the longevity of your supplies, making every cleaning session consistently effective. Let's dive into the world of care and longevity, ensuring your cleaning tools stay reliable for the long haul. As we wrap up our cleaning revolution journey here at Peak Decor Home, remember, a sparkling home isn't just a result of chores. It's a reflection of the tools and strategies you employ. We've unveiled the secrets to a revolutionary cleaning routine, from essential tools to cutting-edge gadgets and eco-friendly choices. Now, armed with this knowledge, it's time for you to elevate your cleaning game. Share your thoughts, favorite tips, and cleaning revelations in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this transformative cleaning adventure. Until next time, keep it clean and stay Peak Decor Home.